Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I have an interesting project for you which is right now on pre-sale on Pink Sale Finance, okay? And it's called Sakai Vault, okay? And the interesting thing about this is it's on pre-sale for the next 2 days and 5 hours and 44 minutes as of right now. And you know, they are looking for to raise 600,000 USDT. And as of right now, they have already raised 368,000 USDT. You know, sometimes there are projects here on Pink Sale Finance and they try to raise like, let's say, 3 BNB, which would be around $900. But this one here is like a huge project. And basically it's decentralized perpetual exchange. That means you could be, can you imagine you could be an early investor in something like Phemex, Bybit or Bitget, because it's going to be an exchange where you can trade cryptocurrency. So for example, if you would have invested, for example, in Binance at an like really early stage, you would have like 100x your investment. For example, if you would have invested $1,000, you would have made $100,000, for example, okay? I mean, you never know if this is going to happen, but this is really, that's an interesting project. As you can see here, decentralized perpetual exchange, the next generation of DeFi. So as always guys, you don't know financial advice, but this could be a really good opportunity to make a huge return on your investment. Products and services, you can see here, layer 2, decentralized perpetual exchange. Yeah, basically, I mean, if you've ever traded, you know, and if you want to trade, you can always use the links in the description down here, because you will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my links. And if you don't know how to trade, of course, there are also trading tutorials that I have made for you guys, okay? So check the links in the description. So basically, this could be really interesting. Introduction, okay? Sakai Vault is a decentralized spot and perpetual exchange that supports low swap fees and zero price impact trades. Really interesting, guys. Yeah? And there will also be staking. Staking, you will get an APR of 146% in 250 days. Okay, also interesting, guys. And as always, we are looking for, has it been audited? Yes, guys, it has been audited. You can see here. And it looks pretty good, I would say. I mean, nothing bad or nothing. Let me show you guys here. You can see here, no major or critical issues here. Then KYC, one member has been KYC, guys, okay? And there is already a pretty huge community as of right now, 29,296 members here on their Telegram channel, okay? So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.